Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So the family meal for this evening is stir-fried chicken with seasonal veg. So it's a little bit different, this video. This is a Chinese takeaway recipe which I was given quite a while ago, but the change for this particular recipe is that the majority of the food that we're going to be cooking will be picked from the garden. So I started to try and grow some of our own food earlier in the year. That started to produce some good results, so I don't think you can get any fresher than this. Okay, so as usual, a full list of ingredients will begin at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. Right, so for the sauce we're going to need some oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, so this is pure sesame oil. If you're using this pure sesame oil, not blended, just be careful, don't put too much in, it will overpower the dish. About 50 millilitres of dry white wine, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of MSG, a teaspoon of corn flour, and it isn't here, but about 50 mils of plain water. Okay, so for the actual food itself, I've got a chicken fillet, large chicken breast fillet, which I've thinly sliced, placed a teaspoon of corn flour with a little cold water and mix that in, so it will stay nice and soft while we cook it. I've got about 2 large spring onions, which I've cut the ends off and then chopped into large pieces, 1 large white onion, which have been peeled and again chopped into large pieces. The rest of the veg is going to come from the garden. Right, so let's see what we've got in the garden. So we've got some mange too. If you've never grown mange too, basically peas, isn't it? But it's quite prolific. It produces a lot of food for us. And this will carry on growing right up through September. Any more? Okay. Right, so at the side of the potatoes we've got some carrots. So these are like a stubby version, but they have got massive amounts of flavour. The reason I went for this sort of stubby type is obviously because these pots are quite shallow. So probably 3 of these. Oh, that's a nice one. Right, into the greenhouse. I got these lovely peppers. Let me just those off so we don't damage the plant. They are beautiful. On there, and maybe one more, I think. Right, so first job then is to cook the chicken. This is always my preferred method of cooking chicken for Chinese stir fry. So we've got some water just coming up to a simmer in the wok. Won't take too long for this chicken. It's cut quite thinly, so you're probably looking at about 4 to 5 minutes once it comes up to temperature. Once it's cooked, we're going to take it out of the wok into a colander, drain it, and then rinse it through with cold water to get rid of any residue corn flour that might be on the chicken. And then once we've done that, we'll crack on with the rest of the meal. Okay, so we're just going to get the wok nice and hot. Just a little bit of vegetable oil in the bottom. Make sure that the inside of the wok's coated. Okay, so Just drain off any excess oil. Don't want to make the dish too oily. Okay, so when it's nice and hot, first thing is the onion. I'm going to cook this through for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, in with the carrots. And our peppers. Well, lovely fresh carrots and peppers, I might add. Again, just another couple of minutes. Mons too. And the spring onion. Well, some people separate the spring onion into the bottom white part and the green. I asked a couple of Chinese takeaways in the kitchen and they don't bother at all. Okay, finally the chicken. And the chicken's already cooked, so we really just want to just heat this through thoroughly, and obviously make sure it's combined well with the veg. Right, now we'll add the sauce. Just going to add the sauce a little bit at a time until I think we've got enough. Any sauce that's left over, I will put that into a bottle, keep it in the fridge. It'll last for about a week or so in the fridge. Just a little bit more. So I mix all of these sauce ingredients together just for convenience, really. Okay, that looks about right. So just another minute or so for that sauce to thicken up, because it does have corn flour added to the sauce, and then we'll be good to serve. I'll be serving this with a just a plain boiled rice. So there you go, stir-fried chicken with seasonal vegetables. You can't get any fresher vegetables than picking them from your own garden and then cooking them straight away. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.